Hey, what's going on, guys? It is day 2 of the restoration, and I just finished making this starter gasket. Whoever put the starter on before did not have a gasket on there, and so I have it on backwards. Whoever put it on before did not have a gasket on there, so it's getting mud in here and in the tranny, which is not generally a good thing. So I just finished making this gasket. We are going to put some flange sealant on there, put the starter back on, and hopefully it should start turning over nicely and maybe even start. Okie doke, we have a freshly painted battery cover thing. We've got a fancy looking air filter. We have a totally wrong battery cable end thing. And why is the ground way bigger than the power? I have no idea. Okay. And the starter slipped. Okay, try it again.
First, we have a problem. I turned the ignition off, I didn't even crank it.
Okay. So it sounds like there's probably another electrical issue. Well, it's not starting. Hardly surprising, but we'll keep working at it. Okay, we cranked it for a little bit more, let the fuel pump run. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, the starter keeps slipping, but did you hear that pop? It tried to start. Do it again. We need to figure out what the problem is with that starter. It's not engaging properly. It works better on a full battery, so we're going to charge this battery up and see if that makes a difference. I think we may need a new starter. This is startup attempt number 3. Fire when ready. Starter keeps slipping before it can start running completely. Oh! Come on. Come on. I think we definitely need a new starter. Okay, go. So close, man. So close. And fire away. Okay, it is now getting late, as you might be able to see, but we are once again ready to attempt starting it up. We have cleaned all the spark plugs. One of them is replaced. Cross your fingers. You plugged them all in, right? Okay. Oh! Yeah.